Hi, in this video we will be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 173. Let's have a look at this question. Look at this question. The question says David has D books. So David has D books which is 3 times as many as Jeff. So that means David has 3 times as many as Jeff. Okay. And half as many as Paulo. Right, Paula. David has half as many as Paula. So half as many as Paula. So that means this D is nothing but 3 times of Jeff and this 3 is nothing but half of Paula. How many books do the 3 of them have altogether in terms of D? So in terms of D is a trigger for you to use plugin, right? So we can do the plugin little later. Here in the answer choices they have said 5 by 6 times of D. So in your actual GMAT it will look like 5 by 6 into D. Here the slides is like this. It's nothing but 5 by 6 is separate here. D is right into D, the fraction into the D. Okay, so let's do here first algebraically, right? So total number of books, right? So that means here Jeff would have D by 3 books. In terms of D means Jeff would have D by 3 books and Paula will have 2 times of, right, what is David has. If David has D books, Paula will have 2 times of D, right? Because David has half as many as Paula. So that means total number of books would be D plus D by 3 plus 2D, which is nothing but if we take LCM, LCM is nothing but 3, right? So that means 3 times 3D plus D plus, so 3 times that will give you 6D, right? So 6D plus 1, 7D, 10D. So 10D by 3 should be the answer. Answer has to be here C, 10D by 3. Eliminate all the other answer choices, right? Pretty simple linear equation type question. All you need to do is write one object, right, with other, right? Try to compare one object with the other according to the condition given in the question. Now let's see how to solve this question using plugin. Because we have variables in answer choices, we can do plugin, right? So here the variable is D. Okay, take a D value because take a D value which is divisible by 2 or something, a multiple of 3 of that sort, because here 1 by 2 a fraction is given. So whenever a fraction is given, try to pick a value which is divisible by the denominator there, right, or otherwise the multiples of the denominator. Okay, let's try a number which is 3 times also they have said, and this is say half as many as Paula. So let's try something 6 which is divisible by both 3 and 2. So let's try D as 6. David has D books which is 3 times as many as Jeff. So that means Jeff will have 1/3 of D, right? So he's having 3 times as many as Jeff. So that means Jeff will have 1/3 of it. So 1/3 of 6 is nothing but 2, right? Jeff will have 2 books. Now half as many as Paula. David has half as many as Paula. So that means Paula will be having twice as many as Jeff, right? So David is equal to half as many as Paula. So Paula will be equal to 6 into 2, which is nothing but 12, right? So total number of books would be 6 plus 2 plus 12, which is nothing but 18, right? So when we substitute D is equal to 6, we should get the value as 18, right? Not actually 18, actually 20. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 12 is 20, right? So we should get the target answer as 20. So basically the multiples of 10, right? Only option which looks like a multiple of 10 here is answer choice C, but we have to check other options as well. Suppose if you substitute D value as 6 here, 6 by 6 8 cancel, you get only 5, eliminated. 7 by 3 into 6, 3 2s are 6, okay. So 3 2s are 6 means 7 2s are 14, but we want 20, eliminate this. 10 into 3, 3 2s are 6, so 10 into 2, 20, it matches the target, hold on, but you have to check all the other answer choices. There's the process of plugin. So 7 by 2 into D, right? So 7 into 3, 21, right? So 21 is overshoot, so eliminate D. So 9 into 3, again this will going to overshoot, eliminate answer choice E as well, because our target answer is only 20. So answer has to be a C, 10 by 3 into D. So as per the process of plugin, always pick a number which is right, which is best for the question. Here it is 6 is best because it has to be divisible by 3 and 2, right? Otherwise at least 3 it has to be divisible, because 3 times Jeff, so Jeff will be 1/3 of David, right? So it would be good if you try any number which is divisible by 3. And if you look at all the options here are either divisible by 6 or a 3 or a 2, right? So it's better to take a number which is divisible by both 3 and a 2, which is 6 here, right? Hope this is clear. Answer here is 10 by 3D. Thank you.